A little bit too far back. That's right. It's gonna push that direction anyway.
Got a gap now.
Maybe spin the handle around.
We're okay over here. Everything's okay here.
It's okay.
Looking good. Looking good. Nice.
Yeah, no, I think they're pretty solid.
Yeah, keep going. Looks good.
Hey, stop, stop. Ooh, okay, now. You're really close on this one jack stand. How are you looking over?
We're clearing on this side.
Oh, shit.
We're off the clearing.
Straighten out and you'll make it through.
What about the rear bumper?
Looking good. Looking good. Golden.
Bumper's clear?
Yeah, you're just touching, just slightly.
Hold on a second.
Ooh.
Clear.
Clear.
And maybe we'll take us.
Oh, you want some wood to put underneath that thing?
Yeah, something.
That. Want me to lower this side too?
Yeah.
How much are we lowering it?
Looks like 4 inches, 3 inches.
Okay. Oh, hold on 1 minute.